Today let's make bootable USB drive, flash drive by using command prompt. We don't need to use any software to make our pen drive as bootable flash drive or pen drive. By using this bootable pen drive, we can install any Windows operating system like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's start the video. First of all, we need to do is we need to put our pen drive in the computer. I inserted my pen drive here and the name of the drive is USB drive J. So this is the pen drive that I have inserted. Nothing is there inside this pen drive. Now we need to find out the location of the application command prompt. We can press Windows key and R together. Simply type here cmd, or alternatively we can type here cmd in the search window and right click on it or select run as administrator. When we click here, we can find the run command prompt window. Now let's type here diskpart. Press enter key. After that, we need to type here list disks. This will show up all the drives available in our computer, including the pen drive that we have inserted. Now after this, we can type select disk 1 because disk 1 is the pen drive that we have inserted. So here we need to type select disk 1 so that it will select our pen drive, the flash drive that we have inserted. After that, we need to type clean so that it will clean all the data inside it. Then after that, we have to type create partition. Create partition primary, and after that we need to type active to activate the flash drive. After that, we need to format the drive. So we can format the drive in two ways. First one is FAT32, another one is ntfs. If our operating system is, if the size of the operating system is more than 4 GB, so we need to use ntfs format. So let's type here format fs, format system ntfs quick. This will format our drive, so this will take some minutes to complete the formatting. We need to wait for it. After that, we can copy and paste all the Windows files, Windows operating systems files and folder inside our pen drive. Now we need to type assign. This showing up our USB drive, flash drive here. Now let's close this window, and after that we need to open the Windows 10 file that we have downloaded, or if you already have ISO file of any operating system of Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11, you need to copy all the files and the folders of the ISO file and paste it to the USB drive we have created. So this is the Windows file. Simply right click on it, copy this, and open the USB drive. Yes, the drive is here, and simply right click on it and select paste. All the files will be copied and pasted here. After that we can use this pen drive to boot, to install Windows. So in this way we can create bootable USB pen drive or flash drive without using any other software. We need to use command prompt commands, and we can copy and paste any operating systems files and folders here inside this pen drive, and we can use it to install operating system in any computer. Okay guys.